Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CMF Watch Pro 3 not showing notifications on your Android. If your watch is not getting notifications, the first thing you may want to check is in your Nothing X app. On your device settings, go into Notifications, then App Notifications, and make sure they are enabled. If you have the setting for display message only when phone is locked, that will mean that when your phone's screen is unlocked, your watch will not be getting any notifications from your phone. So you can turn that off if you don't want that to happen. And then you have to enable the apps from which you want notifications, or disable if you find those notifications cumbersome, from all the apps individually. You can look into other apps if it's not visible here. And then just turn on the apps you want to be getting notifications from. For example, let's say we want notifications from here, here, and let's say here. The next thing you want to make sure of is that the Nothing X app can run in the background. To do so, go into App Info, either here or usually under Settings. You can find it in Apps, then find it either under Recently Opened Apps or just under all of them. You can try looking for it or searching for it with the button. Then, usually under battery usage or something like this, make sure that the app has allowed for battery usage, or if available, make sure you turn off battery optimization for this app. You can also go look for that under battery settings. Here you might be able to find the ability to manage background apps. If you have any of them, you can try enabling the Nothing X app to be running in the background. Similarly to other settings that may be available on your phone. If available, you should consider turning on AutoStart permissions. You can usually find them here. If you can't, you can go into Settings and search for AutoStart. But not every phone might have that, as you can see. Then another thing you may want to check is if your connection to the watch is good. To do so, make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled and that your watch is not going away from your phone too far. Also, you can simply look in here if you see that the watch is actually connected. That means it should be, well, connected. There might be an option to also try and check if the firmware on your watch is updated. You can potentially find that under About, here firmware update, and here check if the firmware of your watch is up to date. If it is, you can potentially try to test out notifications by trying to, for example, get someone to text you and to see if it's going to show the message on your watch. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.